silver are the only forms of currency that make me feel secure. Something that paper money can't do. Rosin will beat any price at any point at any time. Just call it. Rosin ships my gold in 10 days or less. Faster than anyone. So take a good look. That's the debt clock. This is your wake-up call. Buy gold and silver from Rosin Capital. What's the rules? Call now. Get a free gold kit and a free IRA transfer kit. And with a minimum order, get a free safe to store your gold. Call 800-370-8200. 800-370-8200. 800-370-8200.
The day we rescued Riley was a truly amazing day. He was a matted mess in a small cage, so that was our first task, was getting him to wellness. Without Angie's List, I don't know if we could have found all the services we needed for our Riley.
From contractors and doctors to dog sitters and landscapers, you can find it all on Angie's List.
We found Riley at the shelter. We found everything he needed at Angie's List.
Join today at angieslist.com.
If your house is like most, you have hidden treasures everywhere. Let's go to the dining